Saw you paint a picture of a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you would.
Good morning. At least I think it's morning. Let me check. No, it's not morning. It's 12:27. So it is officially afternoon. Welcome to my video. I hope you guys are all doing good. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I have all these colours left over from previous little projects. This chair is an old chair. It's kind of falling apart. I use it for decor only. No one is ever allowed to sit on it because it would probably break. Someone tried to once and I had to warn them really quickly. So yeah, I just usually have a little bit of decor on it, but I was using it recently in my craft room and it's got some blue paint on it and it's just looking really untidy. So in this video I thought I'd mix all my paint colours together and I'm going to paint it whatever colour that works out to be. And I will leave it that colour. So it's just a little bit of fun. I hope you enjoy it. So let's get mixing all the paints together and see what colour the chair ends up being. So the first colour we're going to use is a brown. I really am so glad my decor is white because I'm thinking the colour it ends up to be is bound to go with white. Let's hope anyway. So I'm just going to put some brown in. I'm going to put some of the vivid yellow in. Well, I have some chalk paste. I love this stuff for stencils, but there's hardly anything left. Let's see what we can get out of it. Here we go. It's a bit like baking really, isn't it? Whoa, cover your eyes. Red. I bought a black as well. I haven't used it yet, so let's put the black in. Are you nervous? I'm nervous that I have to live with whatever colour this chair turns out to be. Two more colours. White and a blue. So white. And blue. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous because you know me, I don't like many colours. Oh wow. Oh no. Oh no. Let's try and get this little bit of blue in here. It might help. Oh no! Oh, we spot it on the table. We're going to clean that up. I'm trying to protect my table and I'm making it worse. Oh! Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? Beige. Oh, it's like a medium beige colour. I should have known. This does not go with my decor. My husband's going to call it army beige. He's going to really like it. Oh. I should have made some rules at the start. Maybe I can still distress it. Like making up the rules as I go along. Okay, let's paint. Let's paint the chair beige, guys. Are you ready? I did quick, as you saw, I did give it a quick sand, and I'm going to turn it over. And I know there's sanding dust on the tarp, but it doesn't matter. Maybe it will give it some texture. So my little rule, always paint the bottom of tables and chairs first because it's a lot easier. Beige it is.
Even though you wouldn't do the same, I'd do anything you want me to.
Maybe it will dry darker. Oh dear. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments what you think about this colour. And you'll just see the chair hanging out in my house. Beige. Like a sludge colour, you know. I think we'll call it sludge.
Of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same.
Have you guys just realised something? I'll give you a sneak peek. I just clicked. Sometimes it takes me a while to click about things, but look at this. It's the same colour as the chandelier. Oh my goodness. I had no idea it's the same colour as the chandelier. I was concentrating so hard on painting the chair and what colour I made and trying to get my head around it that it is actually the same colour as the chandelier. Oh gosh, guys, it's going to go with something in my house. How did I not notice that? It's crazy funny. I don't know about you, but I get so absorbed in what I'm doing that I kind of don't concentrate on anything else. And I didn't even think to myself, oh, that's a really similar colour to that chandelier. Wow, how crazy. I was knocking the beige colour. Oh, too funny. Okay, it's now 2:57 and it's got a bit darker in my day, so sorry if the light's a lot different from the previous segment of the video. Anyway, had to wait a few hours for it to dry and I'm going to do the second coat, and even though there's kind of no rules, I made up the rules. I am going to do the second coat and then give it a bit of a sand, and then we're going to give it some sort of protection. I'm not sure what I'm going to put on it, so I'll carry on painting and I'll see you after the second coat.
I'd do anything you want me to, 'cause I love you.
Okay, I'm going to give it a sand now.
Saw you paint a picture of a face that wasn't even close to mine.
It's going going to look really vintagey with the yellow coming through especially. When I distress chairs, I tend not to do the main seat. I tend just to do the edges. I do give it a quick once over just to flatten everything out that maybe needs flattening. Let's start that again. Just to flatten everything out that may need flattering out. Wow. But yeah, usually it's just where the natural distress age might actually occur. Considering I didn't choose this colour, it's kind of alright. My next step is to wax it with some vintage wax by Karen Walker. You guys in New Zealand know that one. So my friend homepk.nz kindly gifted me some of her dark antique wax. Actually, I've never used any dark waxes, so I'm mega excited to try it, and it's so kind of Karen to share with me. If my camera will focus, that's what it looks like. Oh, it's literally like butter. It's amazing.
Three of them I can't bear listening to.
Oh wow, this is gonna look so awesome, guys. Who would have thought?
Give you the world like I promised.